1, 2, 3. Back to the start. And again. One more time. All right. So that was obviously the first line of chords in kind of falling in love with you. So I just said I'd do it at the start of the video, so you can just rewind and you know it's right there. Okay, so first thing about that is so just to make sure that you, for every chord change where possible, and it usually is possible, have your fingers hanging over where they're about to be. So there's the E minor. Bring it up a fret, take it up. And so for that first C, that's how you're doing it. So all you have to do, knock it back a fret, fingers go down, and it's right there. And you don't even have to look. You can be, as long as you don't move your fingers from that position, you know it's going to be right there. So then there's the A minor. Not much you can really do there, but then again, it's only that, so no big deal. Now again, with the A minor, you don't want to have your first finger here, and then it comes time to get the F, and then and there it is, right? You just want it to be there already. Okay, and then yes, sorry, lost track of the chords there. So C is next. So again, third finger should be right over here. So that way F comes up, that one goes down, you're already there. And then G, for the G, just have these two fingers here. And remember that kind of little turn of the wrist to make that particular shape a little bit easier. Okay, so just kind of turning your hand so your palm is facing the body of the instrument, okay? Turn it, and there it is. Okay, so that's one thing, is just preempting the chord that's coming next is very important. The rhythm is just a swung 3/4, okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But now the fact that it's swung means that it's not this 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. It's this 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 3, like that, okay? Think of a horse trotting, clip, clop, clip, clop, kind of like that. So there's that, and oh yeah, so the major scale then. So you've got this written tabbed out anyway. So you've got open C string, second fret, open E string, first and third, open A string, second and third. And then there's the little hammer. So the phrase we wrote down there was, so you got the hammer-ons and pull-offs. Okay, so now those are just kind of, for the ukulele, they're really kind of just a couple of little tricks to make things a bit more interesting, to kind of break up the monotony of doing chords the whole time. So don't worry too much about it. It's not. It's more just for a bit of fun than anything really. But the chords are the main thing. So just back and forward. You can't do them enough, over and over and over again, and preempt them as well. Always keep that in mind: is what's coming next. Am I in position for it? And yeah, other than that, just repetition over and over and over again. And so with this video, I've done it 4 times there at the start, but rewind, do it again and again and again, and you will get there. And keep in mind as well that the work you put into those chords for Can't Help Falling in Love with You is not just for that song, it's for any song that has those chords in them, which is, I mean, if you transpose them like we were talking about, bring it from one key to the other, that's all songs, right? So, you can transpose any song into the key of C, and all of those chords will be there, just like everybody else, just like all the other ones. All right, keep it up. See you next week.